Hello darlings, from skinny and sparse to full laminated like eyebrows by just using soap. Watch my technique and a time lapse of my full face. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to hit the bell. I want to show and how I groom my brows. So no makeup on yet, except I did put some concealer. My brows, you can see here, when you get older, you get these wild hairs. The white hair in there, it just disappears. It's like I only have half a brow. I like to be able to thicken these up, and this one I'm just going to leave it for, I'll just kind of show the difference. One of the things I learned is that you don't want to just go in and pluck out every wild hair that comes out on your eyebrow, because you will end up with really sparse eyebrows and that just totally are gone. And usually when you pluck hairs on your eyebrows, very often they don't come back. So I'm always sharing not to go past your eye here. Let that be your stopping. So when you're plucking, don't go any further. I don't suggest going in and trimming all your eyebrows. I like going in and individually cutting them one at a time. And I really just have 2, sometimes 3 or 4. A lot of people want to pluck the whites out or the crazy ones, and I don't know why they come and start coming in crazy. They just use this type of clear soap and a spoolie. There's a setting spray. There's one that I just absolutely love, and that is an e.l.f. I do like this e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting. And then I wanted to try out this Catrice. The difference is that, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's just like comes out like a water faucet, and just is so much wetness. And on this e.l.f., it's a very nice, see that? A mist. It really is a mist. That's what you want, is a really soft mist. So can't say enough about the e.l.f. Stay All Night. So the Catrice though, it's called Prime and Fine. I don't want to waste the product. So what I did find it works on is I use it on the soap, and then just run and load your brush with the soap. Start to groom them and fluff them, and then work it trying to get these all lifted up. Well, I know some of you might say, gosh, your eyes are so bloodshot. Maybe it's from sitting down editing videos all day, but I've actually, my whole entire life, had veins that are on the top of my eyeballs. I know now they have surgeries for something like that, but that's kind of scary. Then you can turn the spoolie over and just flatten that down. And this is just like laminating your eyebrows, and it gives you a fuller brow, just like that. Use the back side of your spoolie to flatten out. I'm going to go in now to give them a little bit of more definition, and this is called Malu Wilt's Dual Eyebrow Styler. And I like to kind of come underneath here to kind of get a line going. Here's the bottom. We can go back in later if you make any mistakes at this point with a concealer. Okay, so now I'm just going to go up, because I don't want to be heavy in the front. To make it look natural, you want to leave those. So now I'm just going to come from that bottom and brush up for strokes. Coming in with this product, which you can see is really fine tipped. Some downward strokes over here to the edge, just like that. So no further in than the corner. And then for the brow lift, I like to go from my nose, I like to go on the outside, go to the outside here and up. And see, from the nose, the corner of the eye is where the tip should end. And then this is the brow definer brush from Catrice. And then just like that, I'm going to flick them up again. Pencil here. Then you can just come underneath. And then with the brush, just come in, pull that down away from your eyebrow, that white pencil. Of what I normally would get with a very sparse, thin eyebrow to a nice, full, fluffy brow. Now I have the one eyebrow done to show you kind of the difference between what a sparse eyebrow can be turned into something that looks fluffier and better frames the eye. Wait till the end and I will show you the result of my other eyebrow and putting on a full face. So just like that, our makeup's done. I hope the eyebrow tutorial helped you, and I hope you join me again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and don't forget, age does not define you. It's just simply a number. Bye, my darlings. Bye.